Dane Cook's relationship with fitness instructor Kelsi Taylor, despite a 26-year age gap, has long been a topic of discussion. Their recent wedding in Oahu, Hawaii, where Cook is 51 and Taylor is 24, has sparked controversy on the internet. Exclusive photos of their wedding were posted on Instagram, leading to a flurry of comments both supporting and criticizing their relationship. Critics have raised concerns about the age difference and accused Cook of grooming Taylor, particularly given their alleged connection when she was 18. However, Cook has denied these allegations, stating that they met during a game night at his house and gradually developed a romantic relationship. Their choice of Hawaii for their wedding also drew criticism, as it occurred amid wildfires in the state, with Hawaiians urging visitors to stay away. Critics have labeled Cook marrying his alleged victim in such a location as insensitive. In summary, Dane Cook and Kelsi Taylor's relationship, with its significant age difference and wedding controversy, continues to be a topic of intense debate on social media and beyond. Cook has defended their relationship, while critics remain concerned about the circumstances surrounding it.